Hey guys, welcome to Stacy-Lee Vibes TV. This is your girl Stacy-Lee. But guess what, guys? I am not in the kitchen today. Guess who is in the kitchen? Hey? Davian is in the kitchen. And he will be doing jerk chicken. So, Davian, big up yourself. Alright. Who is that? Matthias. Hey, Matt.
Hi, Mom.
What's up?
What's up, Mom?
Alright, guys. So, we're going to do some jerk chicken today, yeah?
Chicken.
So yeah, we have onion, pepper.
Pepper. It's a juicy.
Alright, so he's getting some ingredients ready for the jerk chicken.
Look at it. Give me it.
Thank you. So that's some onion and hot pepper.
Yeah. Hot pepper.
Papa put it over for me.
Okay, this one.
More after.
Okay. Alright, you use that to lift it off. See that? So this is some old ash. So we're gonna put it on the plants, you see? Nothing now waste, nothing spoil. Let's scatter it over it. Watch it over, Melon.
Oh, the butterfly.
Don't put it too close.
Oh, the
And that
butterfly.
one.
Oh, you scared away the butterfly, Dad.
Don't put it too close then. Put it on the big tomato over there. So we're just using the ash as some manure on the plants. I tell you guys, nothing now waste, nothing now spoil. We use everything. So these are the tomato plants right over there, and this is the bell pepper. So we just get the ash from the grill and put it on over here. So that's now manure, organic manure for the soil. Hey, come on with it.
Let my dad come out here.
Yeah, so put it right here.
But I don't let my dad come out.
Yeah, there you go. Get some more now. Look, right here. One there.
I found more.
There's one there too.
Huh? I found one.
Yeah, come on. So Matthias getting some sticks to put on the fire coal. Awesome, Papa. Good job.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Alright, so we're gonna get the lights going.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna get some more?
Yeah.
Okay. So Matthias breaking the sticks and putting them in the fire. Awesome, Papa. Good job.
Thanks, Mom. I want to get that one. I want to get.
Hold on.
Give me that. Give me that.
You hold that one. So we're going to use the plastic
Yeah, that.
and catch the fire. See that?
Yes.
So that's a plastic spoon, guys.
Yeah.
And you use it. But guys, be very careful when you're doing this, not to get burned
I burn down the house.
or to burn down the house. Wherever you see smoke, there is fire. See that? Blaze it up.
Blaze it up. I gotta burn it. Hey, give me some. Give me some.
Kids, do not do this at home without adult supervision, okay?
Yeah. Yeah. The king fire, oh yeah.
Alright, so the fire is catched.
The fire cash, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright guys, chicken are good brown up ready. Chicken color's really looking nice.
You can't grill chicken, man. You ever see Stacy grill chicken yet?
Chicken color really look nice, guys. So we're getting there. As I said, it's a slow process and we're in no rush, cause when chicken done, chicken really tastes good.
You can't do, she can't do.
Alright, so I take it easy. Yeah, just like yeah.
You see it? Yeah, I can see it. So yeah, chicken basically ready now. Chicken basically ready. So when me I deal with it. So two things, when me I deal with jerk chicken, me not really use the the jerk seasoning. I don't know, for some reason I don't think the jerk seasoning agree with me. You know, when me use it, I have burned stomach and all of that. The stomach burn me. Some people call it heartburn. stomach will burn you, same thing. So through that, I'm gonna really use the jerk seasoning. Just deal with it. I just use onion, pepper, and some goya. And right now, I put some sauce on it. This is some sauce, so I kind of mix up myself. And yeah, when you use the sauce, you give it a finish, you know. Yeah, so as I said, I'm gonna really use the jerk seasoning because it mess with me, mess with my stomach, you know. I don't know what them put in it, but whatever it is them put in it, didn't agree with me. So I just use onion and some goya, blended onion with some pepper, you know. You can use whatever pepper you have. If you have hot scotch bonnet, which part me there scotch bonnet not really there, so I have to just use what them have, which part me there, so you know, and deal with it. So this is sauce now. It get a nice little vibes. That's it. So yeah, I just paint it on for it. Yeah, I deal with some of it yesterday and I not lie to you, it tastes good. You know, my brethren beg me for jerk some chicken for him and deal with it for him, and I tell you, him daughter did a graduate, and I tell you say, when I bring it over, man, it never lasts as long as a snowball in hell. People them devour it and love it, you know. So to them I decide say, alright, so for dinner I gotta just deal with something for myself, you know, for me and the family, you know. So I just say things that, you know. Yeah. So the sauce, you know, is a mixture of ketchup, barbecue sauce, a little sugar, some lime juice, I throw some apple cider vinegar in it too, and just shake it up together, and yeah, and it give it a vibes too, you know. Give it a nice little flavor. Yeah, just give it a nice little vibes, and yeah, and I just let it go. Yeah. Yeah, so them they're ready there now. The man over on your side there now, they do steam a little more. Yeah, them are them when they're ready. When they want them. I want them when I see. Forget to give it. Yeah. So them one, you know, they may want to steam a little bit more, you know. I'm basically ready to, you know, if I did Jamaican, maybe I had a jerk chicken and seal come, yeah, I could sell it, you know. But I just wanted to steam it a bit more. Yeah. Yeah, I'm out and just put them over there. So I will never get none of this sauce. So I'll put this bad sauce on it.
See a video like come on.
Take up the base.
The base?
Yeah, so yeah.
I didn't go and leave you. I didn't leave. I just went to go get food.
Yeah, so. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. So that's me just make my little sauce, you know, a mixture of barbecue sauce and a little sugar, lime juice, lime juice, some apple cider vinegar. Don't ask me the proportion. I just work with my ancestors. That's it. Just pour until my ancestors them say, alright, that's enough. And that's what I do it, you know. Alright. But trust me. Yeah, this look good, you know. And they're ready.